I'm in the blind here in Stevens County, Oklahoma. It's a freaking monsoon. There's springing leaks everywhere in this ground blind, man, trying to stay dry. It's about 60 degrees. And it's like a hurricane out there. It's about 25 minutes before daylight. I'm not even trying to be quiet because I know they can't hear me over the rain. It's freaking nuts. It's going to be a tough day of hunting, but it's opening day. You can't miss opening day, especially when they're chasing. It's going to be fun. All right, it's November 23rd. Had to think about it for a second. My gosh, it's early, man. It is 6:54. The sun's coming up over the ridge, just over there to the east. Oh my goodness! I've been after this deer all year. This deer's named Buddy. We've been getting this trail camera pictures of him day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out. Had a couple encounters with him. He came in about 3 minutes ago to the feeder. Got it on camera, got a good shot on him. Shot him with his Marlin 308 Express, man. I am excited, I'm fired up. I guess the bullet went through and pulverized the old feeder here. Or he just bucked up so hard he broke it. But we got immediate blood, and I mean good blood. Hoof prints in the mud, him digging. Oh yeah, this deer did not go far at all. Oh, he hung her back in the woods right here. I see white belly. There we go. There he is. There he is. There he is. Buck down, baby. Big old mature body. Probably 3.5-year-old deer. He didn't ever have the genetics to be a real giant, but hey, that's food for the table. Right there. All right, finally got him pulled out of there, and he's a good deer. He's not a monster by any means, but he's definitely one to put on the wall. And I've got backstrap for the freezer to feed the family with. That's what this is all about, you know. This is about coming out here, experiencing God's beautiful creation, and putting food on the table for your family. I couldn't be more proud to harvest this deer this morning. I couldn't even be, I can't even explain how excited I am to be a part of Team Big Racks as a pro staff member and representing them over here in Texas and Oklahoma. I just want to say thank you, Tim, for the opportunity. But I just want to, you know, thank the Lord and make sure the glory goes to Him that He allowed me to harvest this beautiful deer this morning. So, you know, this is just an awesome little trophy. He's by far not the biggest deer I've ever killed, but I still get excited over every single one I shoot. So until it stops getting excited, my heart quits thumping, I'm gonna, you know, keep pulling the trigger. So couldn't be more happy to take him this morning. So let's gotta get him loaded up on the pickup truck.